I spilled black dye on a favorite dress one day when I was teaching, and it really spoiled the smooth dip-dyed finish. So I decided to cover up the black splashes with some lino prints. I used this leafy design because it's kind of chaotic and crazy, and I knew that it would cover up the splashes quite effectively. You wouldn't be able to see them once I was finished. Of course, once I had added the layer of prints to the dress, it was so pretty that one of my friends asked me if she could have it, and there it went.